Today we are taking a look at probably the best bang for your buck, multi-shaver, hair trimmer, nose trimmer, anything you could possibly think of. Any hair you have on your body, this machine will cut and trim and shorten and shape and anything you could possibly imagine. I cannot really tell you the quality of this electronic device, and look at this. All of this comes with it. Okay. Now on here there is actually no head on here, and we'll get to that in a second. But this thing is nice and solid in the hand. It works amazing. You can charge it from the bottom here. It comes with the charger, and it comes also with this carrying pouch, which you can put all of this inside so it doesn't get lost. Now we go through the list here. We have, these are actually hair cutters, and the best part is that you'd say, well, how do I know how short or long this is? Well, I don't know if you can see that. Try to put it against if the camera focuses on it, but it says here 12 millimeters. So this length is 12 millimeters, and it clips onto this one here. This is 12 millimeters. This one says 16 on the bottom, and this one here, this one is 9 millimeters, and you have different lengths. And I think this one, I don't know because I don't use all of them actually, to be honest with you. So I'm guessing this is like a what is this? Body 5 millimeter. And I really didn't use this one, but the one that I use the most is this one here. Sorry about that. Of course, I try to clean it as best as possible, but you know, guys got hair everywhere. This one here is a general all-purpose trimmer. It gets into the fine detail. It's straight like that, and you can actually use it sideways alongside the beard and the sideburns and all that. And this one here is also a precision cutter on there. This is a nose hair trimmer, and these are also multi-purpose. Now these ones here, they all clip on easily onto this one. Now as you can see, I've clipped on that head to this one here, and you know, turns on. It works really well. And then if you want to clip on, let's say you want to trim the hair on your head. Now I don't usually do it myself. I go to a barber, but you know, I use this for beard and hair and nose and ears and all that. So that works. And just like that, it snaps right on to this existing head I talked about before, and it's ready to go. And it does not come off. It's really secure on there. It doesn't really come off. As a matter of fact, sometimes it's a little bit of a pain to try to get off, but it works. The best part that you can rinse all of this. This part, you know, I've never really rinsed. I mean, I never had to really rinse the back, but I'm pretty sure you could if you wanted to. But all the front part here with this head off, all this is plastic. All of this, everything you see here, I've rinsed underwater and it still works. I've actually rinsed it underwater while I was using it while it was on. I've had no problems with it. This thing, oh, and sorry, last part, it comes with a little tiny cleaning brush. So if you want to clean those, you know, hard to get areas, you can actually do that with no problem. So this tool is highly recommended. Okay, I cannot say enough good things about this, and honestly, for what it costs, it's ridiculous quality. The battery, it says the battery lasts 5 hours. I don't think any of us needs to trim any hair on our body for more than 5 hours. It charges really fast, surprisingly. I've had this for 3 years, and I've had no problem with the battery. The battery lasts a very long time, and all in all, the quality of this thing is ridiculous. So as usual, quality from Philips never fails to impress. Highly recommended, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.